Upper Deck Marvel Platinum 2-box POC number 24. Lovely Scarlet Witch art at the front there. And to the sides of it, we've got our silly goofy tape. We should have one more auto hidden in here. Best of luck to everybody. I'll say it again once we get all the cards out. Just making sure none of them are upside down. I think we're okay. Okay. Best of luck, you guys. Best of luck. Let's see what we can find in here. See if we can find some absolute bangers, absolute spice. Starting with Moon Knight. Cover, Rainbow. Purple of Elektra. Super Statistics of Wolverine with the fighting skills of 7. That one's in the base. Cover, Rainbow, a Black Rainbow of Heimdall. Iconic cover is right here with the X-Men on it. This one's in the base. Cover, Rainbow, Red of Loki. Platinum duos featuring both Hulk and She-Hulk. That one's in the rainbow. Gonna see if I can clean that card. There's some residue from the factory on that one. Cover, Rainbow, Purple of Drax the Destroyer, and a lovely cover variant in the rainbow of the Wasp. Task Manager. I don't think that's going to come off of that base card, but it's okay. It's a base card. As long as it's the base. Do another handful before we get to the casing and sleeving. We got Spider-Man on the cover. Rainbow. Red of Groot. Oh, that's a double red. That's a double red. All right. Let's see what Mega gets for some ink. Bet on Zemo. Oh, another Mark Bagley auto. Another Mark Bagley auto. One wasn't enough. One wasn't enough. Very cool. Very, very cool. And we will continue. Cover. Rainbow. Red of Spot. Color match to the Spider-Man and Spot art. Lovely tracks here of Mr. Fantastic. Amadeus. Cover. Rainbow. Yellow of Annihilus and a teal wave of Ronan. Teal of Ronan. Cover. Rainbow. A yellow of Iron Man. Teal wave. Wow, a lot of teal waves in this box. Of Black Cat. And we will do some casing and sleeving. Definitely gonna need to grab some more top loaders after this break. Actually, I'm gonna have to grab more cases now. For how many of the teal waves we got. Make sure we're fully stocked here before we get into the other half. All right. Let's see what's left. Let's see what's left. And we're off. Cover. Rainbow. Blue of Ant-Man and a Superior Spider-Man. And the yellow rainbow, or yellow spotlight. Spotlight, moonlight. Cover. Rainbow. You got a blue of Colleen Wing and a lovely tracks of the Midnight Suns. Very, very cool. Here we have a base iconic covers of Old Man Logan. Sussy Beast. It's just Sussy Beast. All right, box two. We'll say guess the orange checkers. Guess the orange checkers. We did 45 last time, so we'll do 50. Guess the orange checkers for 50. In the meantime, cover, rainbow. Wow, 2-for-1 shrimp combo and a new Warriors right there. Enchantress, very nice art here on the blue tracks. Sussy Beast making a return. Cover, rainbow, yellow of Green Jay. Wow, I switched those up like crazy. Jean Grey. Teal Wave of MODOK. Seeing those guesses coming in. Cover, rainbow, yellow, Norman Osborn. Teal Wave. That's a good Thanos. That's a good one. That is a good one. There we got a cover, rainbow, blue of Brother Voodoo. Ooh, Ghost Rider in the tracks. Very cool. Very, very cool. Got a handful of guesses on the screen right now. Is that a crackle? I think that's a green crackle. I think I see a green crackle. Cover, rainbow, blue of storm, green crackle. This is going to Mega. Of Abomination. I'm going to call that a color match. It looks so good with the green crackle. It looks so good with the green crackle. Very, very nice. $60 out of $99 on the green crackle. And we're back in it with the Platinum Duos, Silver Surfer and Galactus. That one's in the base. Hobgoblin looking more important than he actually is. Cover, rainbow, Poiple of Rogue. Iconic covers here of Venom. That one's in the base. Cover, rainbow, a black rainbow of Tombstone, and a Super Statistax of Doctor Doom with an intelligence level of 6. That one's in the base. Not Silk, get him out of here. Alright, I'm going to sleeve in case. Give anyone who's watching another chance. Again, last chance to guess the orange checkers. We're going to do 50 in credit if you can guess the orange checkers. I will announce the last name that I see that'll count once we get there. Again, no, you can't guess twice. You can't guess twice. If you switch your guess, you gotta delete your previous comment. If someone else guessed the same thing as you, it's whoever got it first. These are the rules of the road. Without rules, we are no different than the animals. We stop once for bathroom break if it's under 4 hours. What do you mean? Who are you talking about, we? Would be nice to get 2 guests. Like 2 guesses or 2 people on stream? Try to make up however we can. I'm very confused into what you're referring to. I have a very small brain. Guess if there's 2 stacks and I can very quickly see what like the hit would be, I will. Like for example, this one early on I spotted that it was an orange checker. But there's some boxes where like it's not super obvious to me. Like for example, the blue auto, I didn't see the blue auto. All right, last guess that I see is Moon Knight. That's where I'm going to cut it off. Anything posted after the Moon Knight guess is not going to be counted. Here we go. Orange checker's going to Superfam. Best of luck to you, Superfam. Starting with Medusa on the front. Cover, rainbow, red of Captain Marvel. I really like this Captain Marvel on the red there. Just looks very good. Iconic covers here. The X-Men, that one's in rainbow. Cover, rainbow, yellow of Mary Jane Watson. Iconic covers right here. This one's or not iconic, cover variant in rainbow. Cover, rainbow, red of Mystique, and for our checker. Yo, that's a cool one to get in the orange checker. Human Torch with the orange body in flames on the orange checker. Flame on! I had a pair of gloves from the first Fantastic Four movie. Not the first ever, but the first one I saw. With Jessica Alba in it and Chris Evans. And whenever you'd shoot the little fireball at the gloves, it would scream, flame on. 28 out of 33 on this one for fam. Very cool. And then our last 3 on the high series. Making sure I don't possibly miss anything there. Both came from the Golden Age. One guy's got wings on his ankles. The other guy turns into a flame. Recap. Incoming. They both debuted in the same comic? I didn't know that. That's crazy. Here's a recap, starting with our reds, our red rainbows, going out to Mega. Captain Marvel, New Warriors, Loki, Groot, Spot, yellow rainbows going out to Mega. Jean Grey, Norman Osborn, Annihilus, Iron Man. Blue rainbows going out to El Marinero with the blue rainbow non-auto. Colin Wing, Brother Voodoo, Storm. Purple, Purple going to Mega, Rogue, Electra, and Drax. For the black rainbow, going also to Mega, Tombstone, and Andal. Now for our numbered stuff. Teal Waves, these are going to Mega. Very cool Thanos right there. MODOK, Black Cat, Ronan. And then for our blue tracks, these are going to Matt Wilden, Midnight Suns, Enchantress, Ghost Rider. Wow, you got Midnight Suns and Ghost Rider. Mr. Fantastic, yellow Spotlight's going to Mega with the Superior Spotlight. Or Superior Spider-Man on the Spotlight. Green Crackle also going to Mega. Orange Checkers going to Super Fam. And of course, Mega's second auto from Bagley on the Baron Zemo. Very clean, very cool. That was 2023 Upper Deck Marvel Platinum 2-box POC number 24. 25 through 26 are in the shop now. It'll be a complete fresh case. A true freshie. True freshie.